Good afternoon, this is Tim here again. I'm at the Vehha Condo block in Hua Hin on the 29th floor in a beautiful studio condo. This condo is the only studio on the 29th floor. So it's a small studio condo, obviously very nicely appointed, owned by the Intercom Group, or it's been built by the Intercom Group, should I say. So it has a nice, really nicely appointed finishings to it, as you would expect. Feels a bit like a five-star hotel. Obviously a shower, a loo and everything. Nice sized bed and reasonable living area. Not a lot of seating area, but you could put a sofa in, I suppose a small sofa here. But the striking features of this particular condo here is the beautiful views that you get out over the Gulf of Thailand there. So this is looking down to the Khao Takiab area. And in the night time you get a really nice vibe up here. So it's on the 29th floor, and this particular condo is renting for 29,000 a month. So it's ideal for somebody looking for a little pied a terre, I suppose. It wants to working from home. You've got a nice desk there and a small eating area here as well. But those stunning views are what sells this place. You can see that. So as I said, on 29,000 a month. If you're interested, please get in touch.